Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine, the place where style meets elegance and every outfit tells a story. If you think the black dress is just a safe choice, think again. In today's video, we're revealing 10 unexpected ways to style a black dress. And trust me, nobody talks about these. So stay with me till the end because this isn't your typical pair with heels and a red lip advice. We're going full-on, creative, and fabulous. Ready to turn your simple black dress into a total fashion moment? Let's shine together. Let's kick it off with the sporty chic twist. You've seen it, but here's the remix. Pair your black dress with chunky sneakers, a structured baseball cap, and a cropped puffer vest or bomber jacket. Tie a denim shirt around your waist for that off-duty model vibe. This is perfect for errands, brunch, or just those casual Insta moments where you look like you just threw this on. But really, you slayed it. Pro tip, add layered chains and tiny hoops to polish the look. Next up, the art gallery girl look. This one's for the creative souls. Think of this as fashion meets Picasso. Take your black dress and add an artsy patterned scarf, either around your neck or tied into your hair. Add colorful, abstract earrings and a pop-colored handbag. Suddenly, you look like you just walked out of a Vogue editorial. This look is perfect for gallery dates, museum strolls, or fashion-forward evenings. 3. Boss Babe Blazer Combo. Feeling powerful? Go for the Boss Babe Blazer Combo. Layer a structured blazer over your dress, oversized or fitted depending on your vibe, and cinch it with a bold belt. Add sleek pumps or pointed ankle boots. Thrive, this screams confidence and makes your black dress office-appropriate yet totally ready for after-work cocktails. 4. Glam Rock Goddess. Ready to unleash your inner rock star? The Glam Rock Goddess look is unexpected and unapologetic. Pair your black dress with a faux leather jacket, chunky or studded boots, dark lips, and smoky eyes. Finish with silver jewelry or ear cuffs. This look is perfect for night outs, concerts, or even a bold fashion-forward dinner party. 5. Boho Black Magic. Let's go free-spirited with boho black magic. Pair your dress with a long printed kimono or crochet shrug. Add tan suede boots, oversized sunglasses, and lots of layered jewelry. Think long chains, rings, and bangles. This look is effortlessly cool and perfect for festivals, outdoor brunches, or even beachside dinners. 6. The over-the-shirt switch-up. No one tells you this. Okay, here's the unexpected twist no one talks about. The over-the-shirt switch-up. Instead of layering over your dress, wear your dress over something, like a crisp white shirt or even a graphic tee. Add a belt if needed, and boom, it's a fashion-forward layered look that's modest, edgy, and totally cool. This one is so underrated, but it instantly turns your LBD into street-style gold. 6. The over-the-shirt switch-up. No one tells you this. Okay, here's the unexpected twist no one talks about. The over-the-shirt switch-up. Instead of layering over your dress, wear your dress over something, like a crisp white shirt or even a graphic tee. Add a belt if needed, and boom, it's a fashion-forward layered look that's modest, edgy, and totally cool. This one is so underrated, but it instantly turns your LBD into street-style gold. 7. Jewelry-only statement look. Minimal outfit, maximum drama. Try the jewelry-only statement look. No jackets, no accessories, just a black dress and bold, oversized, eye-catching jewelry. Think massive earrings, a cuff bracelet, or a chunky statement necklace. This is a showstopper look that lets you shine without the layers. 8. The monochrome mood. Want to look expensive without trying? Go full monochrome mood. Pair your black dress with black boots, black outerwear, and black accessories, even your bag and sunglasses. Add a red lip if you want contrast. This one's timeless, mysterious, and screams, "I've got my life together" energy. 9. Pop culture inspired. Barbiecore, cottagecore, or Y2K. Here's a fun one. Go pop culture inspired. Style your black dress according to current trends, like Barbiecore, add all pink accessories, cottagecore, soft puff sleeve layers, basket bag, and ballet flats. Or even Y2K, layered beads, mini shoulder bag, and butterfly clips. It's playful, trend-savvy, and totally Instagrammable. Number 10. The day-to-night transformer. Last but definitely not least, the day-to-night transformer. Wear your black dress with a cardigan and flats or sandals during the day, then transform it for night by adding bold heels, a clutch, a sleek bun or red lip, and statement earrings. Perfect for busy girls on the go. One outfit, two looks. And there you have it, 10 totally unexpected ways to style your black dress and turn heads wherever you go. Black. I want to know, which look was your favorite? Was it the boho vibes, the boss babe blazer, or that layered shirt trick in number 6? Drop it in the comments below. Hot? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you got some fashion inspiration today. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the Dress, Dine, and Shine family, where we turn everyday outfits into unforgettable statements. Also, follow us on Instagram for behind-the-scenes style tips, food dates, and all things glam. Until next time, stay confident, stay creative, and always dress, dine, and shine. Starlet. Love you all. Pink.